Welcome to Sikihor. My name is John Ray. You can call me Kuya G for short. And I am the tour guide for this school. So today we will be doing the coastal tour, which we're going to go around the island. Okay. So before anything else, I would like to give you some reminders. Okay. Well, to be honest, nasanay kasi ako mag-handle ng Tagalog guest. No. Pero I'll make sure na before sa Philippine experience puhon. English na ito.
Yes, sir.
Anyway, mawala sa ko sa pasensya na po. Okay, so is it okay if I will just make use my
Yes, sir. In any language that
English
you're
na
comfortable.
Okay, so alright, so okay, once again, welcome to Sikihor, the healing island of the Philippines. So why we are called the healing island is because here in the island, you will not be healed, you will be healed not just physically but also emotionally and mentally. Okay, so why we are called? There's a lot of questions why we are called Sikihor. What's the story behind the word Sikihor? Okay, the word Sikihor came up during the first arrival of Spaniards here in our island. So before the Spaniards came, gaya ng mga ibang lugar sa buong Pilipinas, mayroon din kaming original name. O sa Cebuano, noong araw, kung ano ang marami sa lugar, yung kadalasan ng pangalan. Tama po ba? Like Bohol, bakit tinatawag ng Bohol? Because of the word Boho, which is sinkholes na marami sa lugar na Talumpano. So sa Sikihor, like for example, ang isang lugar maraming mais, tinatawag namin yung Kamaysan. Pag maraming saging, ang tawag namin yan kasagingan. So ang island namin before, especially the eastern part of the island, is maraming puno ng tugas or mulagi trees. So that's why the original name of our island is Katugasan. Okay, ang tanong ngayon, kailan ba yung first arrival ng mga Spaniards sa lugar namin? Since the word Sikihor nabuo during their first arrival. So that was 1565. Oh. Tandaan nyo ha, after the tour may tanong ako. Ang di makasagot doon may bayan. Ito lang. Okay, so that was 1565, the so-called Legazpi expedition headed by Miguel Lopez de Legazpi. But that time, since sobrang busy si Legazpi sa Bohol, kung saan ginaganap yung tinatawag natin na ano yan? Sino nagpag-Bohol? Sino nagpag-Bohol? Anong kaganapan sa 1565 dito?
Sandugo.
Blood compact or Sandugo. Between Dato si Gatuna at Miguel Lopez de Legazpi. That's why, ang ginawa ni Legazpi is inutosan niya mga masyado mong mabilis.